All right, so I'm back working on the Mustang again today. Did a bunch of running around today, and I ordered tires today, so those should be here tomorrow. I hope. Fingers crossed. Tire Rack said they could get them here. I called up a local tire place. I'm not going to list them because I couldn't get them until Monday, even though they were a 45-minute drive from where we are. But Tire Rack can get them here tomorrow from, well, another state. So anyway, whatever. So I got new tires right away. This is what I'm replacing today. If you see this, this is a disastrous mess, right? Like, it's all taped up here, and as I run down the wires, we got more tape and splices. Oh, what's that? More tape and splices, and then this disaster here on the end. I do like the eyelet. Maybe not this one and how it's installed, but I like the eyelet for the tack. I went down to National Parts Depot and picked up a new plug with all the wiring that goes into the gauges in the interior. The downside to this is the tachometer does not have one of those eyelets on it. It is the exact same as these other little plugs. So I actually need to look here. Let's see. I'll let you guys come along for the ride as I take a peek here and figure this out. So we're seeing, I tangled them. Okay, this one is for coolant temperature. So that will be the middle one. Okay. Wow, that one, oh no. Oop, I got it all messed up. Okay, so that's the one right here. Coolant temp. Got that. All right. Next, the center one here, big thick one there, for oil temperature. And then we've got the red guy here with the eyelet. That is, on this one, red and green still. Oh, those are the same. Look at that. All right. Goodbye. For the tachometer. So, oil, temp, tack. Sometimes you don't need instructions, I guess. But if you did, you just got them, right, from watching this video. So, I'm also going to change out the temperature sensor, and I say that, but I already did. So, here's the old one. This thing, this disgusting thing, actually showed up on my car as part of the paint debacle. I don't know if it's going to focus in on that for you or not, but this was not what was on the car originally when I sent it out. It's a different sensor, and that happened from the first paint guy that I sent it to. Maybe I'll throw up some pictures. If I do, they'll be there and there. If I didn't, then yeah, whatever. All right, so I'm going to go put this on right now. So this guy right here is where the old one was plugged in, and now you just have to take and plug the new one in, but I'm here by myself, so I have to set the camera down for that. Just set it, I don't know, right here. Not even sure if you're going to be able to see anything from that angle or not. But there it is. And plug it in. All right, all installed here. All installed back here. Just push down. Our oil pressure thing is on down there too. Let's go inside and fire it up. All right, so it runs still, which is good the second day, because seriously with this car, you never know. It should run reliably from now on since everything's brand new, and I just went through it. Now up here we got our coolant gauge, and it is in fact working. You can see it's starting to move up there a little bit. Our fuel gauge is in fact working, and our oil pressure gauge, which I hope you can see there in the video, is in fact working. So I've got 3 gauges now working, which is great. I still don't have the voltage monitoring gauge down here for the alternator and the battery to make sure it's charging, working yet. But I will get on that. That's next on the list, as well as a tachometer, because this car was originally an automatic and there was a clock right there in that hole. And we're gonna go ahead and make that a tachometer so that we can see what RPM we're at, since this car has no rev limiter and I haven't driven this thing with any tach, so I have no idea just how fast we're revving the exhaust, and I want to make sure that we keep everything while I'm shifting and all that at a reasonable point. So gonna need the tach. All right, thanks for watching. Later.